Hey guys, welcome back to Challenging Gwen. I haven't done YouTube videos in a while because I'm not supposed to, so shh, please. Today I'm making a 3-ingredient, 1-minute microwavable peanut butter mug cake. I'm making 2, so. Okay, so the first ingredient you're gonna need is 3 tablespoons of peanut butter.
Oh my God!
Yeah?
Look at.
Hold on. Sorry guys. And we're gonna first you need peanut butter, which I shall be doing. I gotta make it go down. Maybe not too down. Okay, so 3 tablespoons peanut butter. Okay, guess it counts as 2. I got my hands all peanut buttery. So, yep. Ah, freak. Well, you know, if you have a deep peanut butter jar like me, it can get really messy. God. Look at my hand. Oh my God. Oh well. Live with it. And honestly, I just found this recipe on YouTube. It isn't copyright because lots of people do it. Just saying. Be right back, guys. Sorry, guys. I know I did not get you wet on purpose. Okay, 3 tablespoons in there. Gotta do 3 more in here. Sorry, guys. It's a brand new jar of peanut butter. One.
Oh, fucking better.
Okay. Don't
Sorry.
Try to say like sugar or something.
Okay.
Which is one of the ingredients that we need. No. 3.
Oh, 3, 4. Okay.
Kind of need a little bit more than the other one, so yep.
Why is one staying there?
Hang on, guys. It's gotta. Yep, this is annoying. Quite annoying if I do say so myself. Oh, and don't forget to check out my sister YouTube channel, Crane the Wolf Animatronic. Just how you think it is spelled, trust me. And then, for the next one, you will need sugar. It's actually pretty confusing. Okay, so
what the heck is
first ingredient you were gonna need for this was 3 tablespoons peanut butter. Next is 1 tablespoon of sugar.
No. Like it. Nah.
And then a teaspoon of sugar. I didn't cringe.
No, I don't like it.
First time. Hold on, guys. I'm telling you, this peanut butter cake is gonna be awesome. And then, you're going to need 1 egg. Crack it wisely. Haha. I'm way better than those Keebler elves. Or on Genema. Way better than them. And these are safe to eat because they will be cooked. Okay, so all the ingredients together were 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 egg. And then you gotta mix it like this. On the internet it said it was kind of hard to mix it. Well, maybe because I didn't use extra creamy or whatever. You really gotta get the egg though. Okay, I'm gonna back to one sec.
One here.
What? Oh, okay. You lick some?
Yeah.
Oh. I love looking at. So much for my diet. Right? Wait, are you in the PvP?
popular.
I'm gonna like put that game in the link in the description.
Yeah. Doesn't want to do it now. In case I have I die too. Like in case before I die I run away. Can I go again?
Oh, okay. That sounds cool. I should have doubled up the ingredients. Do you think I should double up the ingredients?
Oh.
What? Like I'll show you how much is in here. Like this much.
That's nice.
What a fuck you. I'm gonna double up the ingredients. So. That's great for that. It's kind of hard with the metal spoon because the end kind of hurts. You gotta like mix it very good. So hold on, guys. Dang it. Okay, guys, I'm sorry I had to double out the ingredients, but it doesn't matter. Okay, guys, I'm putting them in the microwave. Make sure the microwave's safe. So, yeah, careful. Okay, so I'll tell you like what to do. Oh. Okay, so since I doubled up the ingredients, I gotta like.
They just killed the alpha. They just the alpha just held.
Okay. Alright, and then you gotta put them in for like 1 minute. But since I doubled up my ingredients, I put it in for like 2 minutes. By the way, I'll tell you what you do in total. Okay. First, you gotta 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 egg. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute on high. And I'll show you, and I'm gonna pause this and show you how it goes in like a minute and a half. Okay, see you guys then. I'm while it's cooking, which is only like 2 seconds left, I'm gonna show you how to make icing with it. Hold on, guys. Let's gotta. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute, guys. Okay, now I'll show you how to make the icing. Okay. Sugar, flour, and water. Those are things you do need. No, finish. Okay, guys, let's put in the flour first. But I'm making like icing with. I've seen like someone do it before, but it was like with confectioner sugar. I'm pretty sure it's like how you make confectioner sugar. So yeah. 1/3 cup flour, because I don't want too much icing. 1/3 cup sugar. But you ain't done yet. You still gotta put in some water too. Cards that the microwave is in use. Make sure that water is cold. Doesn't matter what people say, make sure it's cold. Mix it until you like get like an icing-ish color. You can put food color in it to make it look colorful. Icing ain't bad actually. Oh my god, these don't look perfect, but nice. Friend, come look at these.
Why are you gonna like put them in the cookies? Like,
No, like it's a different recipe. This is what they're supposed to look like, guys. Just to let you know. And I'm making icing for it right now. So we gotta let them cool for a few minutes. Icing. Want a bit? Honestly, homemade icing is pretty good. You don't like it?
I like a donut.
Tastes like a donut?
Never make some mayo.
Maybe a bit too much flour. And then you put 3 teaspoons of more of it in, or until you think it's sweet enough. It's gotta make it thick though. You better shut up.
What?
I'm not listening. That you better shut up. 1.
Why would you want it? That's gross. Sarah,
How do you think you make icing, dude?
put water in it. Like, what?
Yeah. Either use confectioner sugar and water, or you use flour. Either use flour, water, and sugar. That's how you pretty much make confectioner sugar. Well, to me, I think that's how you make it. Liquidy. Yeah. This is perfect. We guys add a chocolate chip in here to make it a little chocolatey.
Oh, wait, did I chocolate?
Yeah, it's a bluebird, dude.
What that is?
Yeah, it's a bluebird. It's a freaking bird.
No, it's like a simple website, dude.
Quinn, come here. Don't you mean Twitter? Whatever.
Yeah,
Taste this.
yeah, that's it. Oh, it's tasting water. It's sometimes it tastes like my stomach hurts.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Let's cut it up. 1. Yeah, it can't be too liquidy either. I think I did it, but I don't care. Okay, guys, this might take a minute, so. And guys, now you know, this is what the icing is supposed to look like. You guys see it, right? It kind of looks like weird looking oatmeal, but if you guys saw the cakes, I might put some on mine. Remember, this is how you make peanut butter mug cake. And I'll put a game and a link in the. I'll put the game that Corinne's telling me about in the link description. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I might be doing more of these. So remember, have fun. Peace out.